If you are looking for the fastest way to make passive income online in 2024, consider creating a faceless YouTube channel. However, choosing a YouTube niche that is not already saturated can be problematic and difficult. Don't worry, I will show you a monetized, faceless YouTube niche that can earn you thousands of dollars monthly with less competition. Watch this video for a minute.
The narrative of the rise and fall of Babylon, featuring Nimrod, Nebuchadnezzar, the Antichrist, and the concept of a new world order, elucidates a history of defiance against God that spans millennia. This defiance traces its origins to the ancient epochs, with the establishment of kingdoms that boldly challenge divine authority. The saga commences with Nimrod, a figure of profound ambition, pride, and a quest for unity that contravenes the divine will. Nimrod's exploits are primarily documented in the book of Genesis, specifically in chapters 10 and 11. Genesis 10:8-10 chronicles Nimrod as a progeny of Cush, emerging as a formidable figure on earth, a mighty hunter before the Lord. His kingdom's inception encompassed Babel, Erech, Akkad, and Calneh in the land of Shinar.
This YouTube niche is called Mythical Chronicles Revisited. It focuses on exploring historical and mystical biblical stories. This niche has been garnering thousands of views and earning a lot of income with little competition. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create such videos. Okay, before I start, please consider subscribing to this channel if you're new here to support me. If you find the information educational, please like and share it with others who might benefit. Now, let's jump into the video creation process. Step 1. Script writing. Before writing a script, it's crucial to have a clear idea of what you want to convey. There are various methods to generate ideas, such as brainstorming, conducting research for inspiration, hiring others to generate the idea and script for you, or using ChatGPT. However, these methods can be time-consuming, stressful, or costly. Let me show you the easiest way to get your ideas. Go to YouTube and type any related topic concerning your niche into the search bar. For example, let's use biblical stories. Look at the various ideas available and choose a topic to write about. However, it can still be challenging to decide what to write for each topic. The easiest way to handle this is by copying and pasting the work of a similar video related to your chosen topic with a little bit of editing. Tap on any of these videos. Click here, and then click on video. It is recommended to use the most recently posted videos and avoid using videos that are older than 3 months. If you can't find any new videos on the chosen channel, move on to the next one. You will surely find new and trending videos. Let's use this video since it was just posted a few days ago and has attracted a lot of views. Tap on it, scroll down, click on More, and then click on Show Transcript. You can now copy the script that has been generated for the video. However, you should not use the script without editing it, as it will make you look like a big loser. To edit the script, go to ChatGPT and ask it to rephrase the information provided in simple English. Then, paste the copied script here. Look at how easy it is to generate scripts. You can still choose to edit some parts of the script. It all depends on you. Step 2. Voice recording. You can decide to use your own voice to record the script or pay another person to do it for you. However, this option is time-consuming and costly. The easiest way to do this is by using 11 Labs. I will drop the link below. Go to 11 Labs, click here, go to the voice section, then select the voice library and apply the narrative and story tags. Search for the voice that suits your taste. You can also search a particular voiceover. Come up here, type Valentino, then add it to the voice lab. Then come back here and click on Speech. You can copy the script you just generated from ChatGPT and paste it here. Feel free to edit the script to make it more nice and attractive. You also have the option to adjust the voice settings according to your preference. Once you're ready, click on Generate Speech. After the speech is generated, you can click on Download. Step 3. Image generation. We are going to use Leonardo.ai to generate our image, but before we do that, we need a prompt in order to generate images for the story. To do this, we are going to use ChatGPT. Copy the story and ask ChatGPT to generate a Leonardo.ai prompt for the story by specifying each prompt. Paste the story here, then press on Generate. Once generated, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and proceed to Leonardo.ai. Click on Image Generate and ensure that your image ratio is set to 16:9. Then, paste your prompt in the provided space. You can also include any negative prompt to specify elements you do not want to appear in the image. After making any necessary adjustments to the prompt, click on Generate to create the image. Once you have generated the image, Tap on it and select Alchemy Smooth Upscaled Image to enhance the image quality. After that, click on Download to save the image to your device. Repeat this process as many times as needed to obtain all the images required for your story. Below, you will find a list of the image prompts used for this story. If you are thinking of investing your time in this niche, you need to come up with high-quality prompts to captivate your audience. However, for the purpose of learning, I have kept the prompts simple since they were generated by ChatGPT so that you can easily understand. In my future videos, I will teach you how to create high-quality prompts for this niche. Step 5. Video editing. For video editing, I will be using Capcut. You can also use any other editing software. Open Capcut and import the previously downloaded images and voice recordings. Drag the voice recording onto the timeline and adjust it like this. It will make it sound more interesting. When you are done adjusting, drag the image onto the timeline. Then, match the image to the voice recording to ensure that they are coherent together. Add some animation to the image so that it doesn't look boring. Come up here, click on Animation, then click on Combo. Select any desired animation and attach it to the selected image. We need to add a soundtrack to the video to make it sound more interesting. Go to the audio section and type Cinematic BGM with a majestic organ sound, 969592. Add the soundtrack to the timeline and adjust the volume. Okay, let us do the final touch by adding some captions. Click on Text, go to Auto Captions, choose your desired language, and press Generate.
Boldly challenge divine authority. The saga commences with Nimrod.
If you are done editing, go up here and press on Export. Thank you for watching. If you find it interesting and educational, please comment, like, and share to promote my effort.